In Westchester County, fire safety isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Every day without proper fire alarm protection puts your property and loved ones at risk. That's where Abstract Enterprises Security System steps in, offering top-tier fire alarm installation services tailored to your specific needs. Did you know a fire can double in size every 30 seconds? This alarming fact underscores the urgency of having a state-of-the-art fire alarm system. At Abstract Enterprises Security Systems, we don't just install alarms, we provide peace of mind. Our expert team understands Westchester County's unique challenges and strict fire safety regulations. We offer customized solutions for both residential and commercial properties, ensuring compliance and maximum protection. But why choose Abstract Enterprises Security Systems? Because we go beyond basic smoke detectors. Our advanced systems can differentiate between steam and smoke, automatically alert the fire department, and even guide you to safety in low visibility conditions. Time is of the essence when it comes to fire safety. Every moment without proper protection is a risk you can't afford to take. Don't wait for a tragedy to strike. Act now. Abstract Enterprises Security Systems is ready to safeguard your property with cutting-edge technology and expert installation. We offer flexible scheduling to accommodate your busy life, ensuring that safety doesn't come at the cost of convenience. Remember, in Westchester County, proper fire alarm installation isn't just recommended, it's the law. With Abstract Enterprises Security Systems, you're not just getting an alarm system, you're gaining a partner in safety and compliance. Don't let another day pass without the protection you deserve. Visit our website today to schedule your free consultation. Let us design a fire safety solution that gives you the peace of mind you need. Choose Abstract Enterprises Security Systems, your shield against fire, your partner in safety, and your key to a secure future in Westchester County. Because when it comes to fire safety, there's no such thing as being too prepared. Act now, stay safe, and sleep soundly knowing we've got your back.